All right, welcome back, my dear student. So in this lecture, we're going to continue building on this, all right? So I'm just going to copy this a couple of times. Hopefully you're doing the same thing, all right? A couple of times until we get all of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's go ahead and start replacing some of these values here real quick. Hopefully you were able to do this. If not, don't worry about it. It's no biggie. All right. I'm gonna try to do it as fast as possible, and then we'll correct if we have any issues. All right. I'm just gonna get the first ones here. There we go, and then we'll organize it. All right. All right. Let's organize a little bit. There we go. Now let's make sure the next values are good, like this here. It's very easy to make a mistake when you have a lot of data that you are switching from one place to the other. Okay, so take your time with it. Don't get impatient, because this is what happens when you get impatient. You get a problem. You almost all the time, you're always going to get a problem. You're never going to get everything perfect. I guarantee you that. All right, so we think we got everything good here. We got the we're missing the price, aren't we? You see that we're missing the price. So let's have the product category ID. I jumped the price for some reason, and the price right here. All right, price, description, short, DSC, quantity, and the image. All right, this looks like it could work. Make sure that you have all your commas. Sometimes what I do is I put them together right here like that, and I make sure that I have all my commas like organized like that. All right, now one thing is that on the last statement right here, we don't need a comma, because we're going to say we're going to update. All right, we're going to say like this, where what product ID, all right, equals something. So where product ID equals what? Where are we getting this ID from? Can you do you remember? All right, I'll give you some hints. It's coming from the address bar on top in the URL. Escape string like that, and get ID. All right, then we'll take the comma out of that one. We don't need a comma on the last one, so make sure you don't make that mistake. Make sure you check all your dollar symbols here, your single quotes, because it's very easy to make a mistake. All right, so now we'll confirm the query, we'll set a message. All right, and then we'll check to see if we're missing something else. We got to come back here though, and deal with the image, and I'll tell you in a minute why we're gonna have to deal with the image. But anyway, make sure that you have everything correctly. I'm gonna let you look at mine and fix anything you have wrong, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.